Right, next now. So, is that your pen? Is it my pen? Okay, it's my pen now. Right, what we're looking at now is how to prove different trigonometry rules using the rules we have. So we'll do some examples. Let me do number one. We want to prove that 1 plus tan squared x equals sec squared x. Okay? Alright, right. I don't think this one's too bad. What you could do is you could start with this rule. Sine squared plus cos squared equals 1. Okay? Then you could divide by cos squared. So then you get sine squared over cos squared x plus 1 equals 1 over cos squared x. Sine squared over cos squared? Tan squared x plus 1. And 1 over cos is sec. So 1 plus tan squared x equals sec squared x. Okay, so I've proven that one. Okay, that's not too bad. Okay, let's look at a harder one now. Oops, that was A. 1A.
Hey, in the last question, I have the proof really similar with this, but it's 1 minus tan square x equals sec square.
1 minus?
Yeah.
Where?
The number 9.
Yeah, so 1 minus tan squared equals sec squared. That's an equation. It's different. We were talking about this before. Let's go to the side. So look here. X plus x equals 2. Yeah? Okay. X plus x equals 2x. This one tells you x equals 1. This one doesn't tell you that. Okay? So what I'm saying, Gao, is this is an equivalence. What you had in the last lesson was an equation. You had this. You can give me x. I have this. I can't give you x. They're different. Yeah. Good point, though. Okay. Next. I'll do D next. Okay. D. Right, well that one's not too bad. You could say cos pi over 2 minus x. That's equal to cos A cos B plus sine A sine B. Okay? What's cos pi over 2? That's 0. And what's sine pi over 2? 1. Again, that's not easy. Not so bad. Okay, let's do a harder one. Let's do H. Do you see H? Yeah? So I think what I'll do for H is I'll start on the left. Go, what are you doing? Are you talking to your mother?
No.
Who are you talking to?
The friends we go travel together.
Friend what?
We will travel together.
Not now. Don't talk now to them. Right, H. Are you looking at H? 1 minus cos 2x over 1 plus cos 2x. Okay. Well, we did the double angles. That's 1 minus cos squared x minus sine squared x. Okay? And then on the bottom it's 1 plus cos squared x minus sine squared x. Yeah? Is that okay somewhere?
Yeah.
So, on the top, what I'll do is I'll change the 1 into cos squared x plus sine squared x minus cos squared x plus sine squared x. And on the bottom, I'll do the same. Cos squared x plus sine squared x plus cos squared x minus sine squared x. On the top, I'll have 2 sine squared x. And on the bottom, what will I have?
2 cosine square x.
Yeah? Which equals
Times.
tan squared x. Yeah. See, these are all proofs. Trying to prove it. Do you want to write any of these down, or they're okay? Yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Continue? Right, let me do, as an example, I. Yeah? So what I'll do, I'll say 2 sine x plus y over 2 cos x minus y over 2. Yeah? Now if you look, this is like 2 sine A cos B.
Because
No.
no.
No. Yes, maybe. I think I'll say col x plus y over 2a and col x minus y over 2b. Yeah. So this is equal to sine,
A plus B.
yeah, 2 sine A cos B, sorry, which is equal to sine A cos B plus sine A cos B. Yeah? Which equals, my goodness, sine A cos B minus sine B cos A plus sine B cos A plus sine A cos B. Now I like these two because what do these two become? They become sine A minus B. What about these two? Is it sine A plus B, isn't it?
Yes.
A plus B plus. That's A and that's B. So what's A minus B? A minus B will be that minus that. It will be Y, I think.
Minus I.
It will be Y. And then A plus B will be X. So that would be sine Y plus sine X. Or in other words, sine X plus sine Y. Yeah. Getting harder. Right? Yeah. I'd say.
Is the last class.
For today. isn't it?
No.
For me.
Yeah, for me.
I don't care about you. Last class for me.
Do they have a system support?
Yeah.
Do we have?
Oh, that's not with me.
Yes. System support need.
Yeah.
Hmm?
With Neil, maybe.
Need system support.
But what is assessment?
I don't know. Talk to Neil.
So we're going to talk about chemistry.
Great. Great. Yeah. Yeah.
Assessments.
Hmm? Helping you with your assignment. Okay. Do you get the idea of these? Some of these are easy, some of them are hard. They start easy and then they get harder. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. At the end they get very hard. Mm-mm-mm. 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 Let's do one more. Let's try and do, let's just try and do x. I don't think x is too hard. We want to show that sine squared x over 2 equals 1 minus cos x over 2. Yeah? So here what I should do, I should say let a equal x over 2, and so then 2a will equal x. So this becomes sine squared a equals 1 minus cos 2a over 2. Yeah? So that becomes 2 sine squared a equals 1, which is sine squared a plus cos squared a, minus cos 2a, which is minus cos squared a plus sine squared a. So you get 2 sine squared a equals 2 sine squared a. Therefore, true. You okay somewhere?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Next time.
Okay. You understand? Good, okay. What one was that? That was x. Nice. Okay. What have we got? Ah, yeah. Loads of time left. I think I would like you to do... Can you mark these? F. L. M. Q or S. Y, Z.
Which one is the most difficult?
Z.
Okay, start off.
Ah, don't do that. Okay, fine, whatever you want. Good luck. I can close?